So I think this is day 6 of coding every day. But basically, what I think I might try to do is I'm going to try to return or display this HTML file, basically. So I'm going to start here real quick, and then I'm just going to do, um, I'll make it an int, and I'll call it handle request. And then I think what I want to do is take in a buffer. So this is going to be that request. Do I only need to take just for now? I'll just leave it called buffer. I'm gonna do response, same size. I'll just do that's fine. Then here I'll just do response. Okay. Then up here, top of that, I'll just do int handle request. I'll call this request try pointer, and I'll call this response. Yeah, I'll do that for now. Could have initialized an entity of type int. Too many initializer values. Int handle request. Int handle request. Oh, there you go. So, and then for now, I'm just gonna do that. Okay. And then here, actually, I'll put it above just so it's a little bit. This was the request, and this is the response buffer. Okay. So what I think for now, in the beginning, I'll still do it like this. So this is the response buffer. Okay, and then if I go to, I'm gonna do, so the response buffer is what I want to fill up. Okay. Let me see. Okay. Just for now, just do if HTTP parser of request um, doesn't equal 0. So if they're not equal, then I want to okay. Okay, so if they aren't equal, then it's going to be the bad request. And so I need to copy this. Yeah, string copy, and then So it's gonna be, so it goes destination, source, and then number of characters. So destination is gonna be res. The source is going to be this HTTP 1.1 400 bad quest backslash r backslash n backslash r backslash n. And then also these rn are basically like saying, oh wait, also number. I'll figure that in a second. But these rn's are basically saying like end of line kind of, for what I believe at least. From my understanding, this is saying like end of line. So this is like end of header, so this general header. And this, since there's no body, this is like end of response. So end of general header, and then end of response since I'm not including any body. And then I believe you would, um, I believe after, because after this, um, so like if you wanted a body, it would like go here, like body, and then it would be end. From what I believe. Um, there's definitely a better way to do this. I'm just gonna count it for bytes. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. And then I keep forgetting if these are one or these are considered one or if they're considered multiple. Um, what's called bytes. And then uh, I mean, it's the maximum, right? Oh, it says right here, 29. I'll just do 29, I guess, because I'm not really, because I don't, I believe that should be good. And obviously the else. Okay. So the parser and the response builder. Client. I want to see send real quick. I forgot. Oh, wrong one. Is this one? Yep, the socket. So it's the, okay, I believe this is like socket to send to of the sending socket. Yeah. So percent I want socket to send to, the buffer, length of the buffer, and then the flags. The flags I was gonna leave null, but let's see. So instead of int, maybe I want to, no, so I'm gonna change the response. So int is fine. So I'm gonna change the response buffer. So I'm get the pointer. I change the response pointer and I send that response buffer. Okay. Okay. Cool. So okay. Sorry. And then else response builder. builder and then make the response builder build this foreign request. But I'm gonna skip that for now. Okay. So what I want to do, I'm gonna change this to a, and then I'm gonna call this res. Come up here, response builder, character pointer, res, and then I'm just gonna do. So if it's valid, I'm just gonna copy. Yeah. So copies destination, source, size. Ah, I think I might need to use this string pointer number copy because it says it returns. Well, then maybe I change it to 30 just so it has null terminated. But let's see. So, uh, so it returns a pointer to 1 after the last character in the destination sequence. So I think I need to use that. And then I'll call this resbod then. And up here, this one, resbod. For the response body, and then I'll just do and then up here I'll do equals. Yeah, string copy. And it's the same, I believe. Yeah, destination source size. So the destination is the response. Um, the source, I'll do the HTTP 1.1, 200, okay. And then I believe, and this is 19 it says, so I think I do that. And then I'll do response builder of body. This should be maybe more called response or should maybe be more called like bodybuilder. um, but ignore that for now. And then I'm just gonna do it like so, just like this. So then I have to. Okay, let me go to. So this opens up the file. Let me do. So I want to read from this file descriptor. Yeah, read. Ah, so maybe I actually don't even need to do a string copy because the read right here for to read up to count bytes from the file descriptor into the buffer starting at buff. So I believe instead of doing a pointer, probably just do this, or sorry, and then let's do 19 for now, and then I'll just call this um, offset. Let's call this response. Come down here, this int offset. Okay, and then it reads up to count bytes from file descriptor into buffer starting at buff. Okay, so I open up the file descriptor, and it also returns the number of bytes, so I'll just save that. Bytes read equals read uni stth. I believe I have that. Yep, I do. So I want to read from the file descriptor, which is that opened file descriptor, buffer, which is going to be res, and then at count offset, and then count. Ooh, I'm going to do probably buffer size minus, so 1024, I'll do 1024 minus offset. So that works. The argument of type char is with parameter of type void. So I see what this is saying. So this is let me go to arrow. Um, okay. So I see because this is basically pointing to a certain character. Okay. Let's see. Because I see what it's saying. I think I might have messed up a little bit. Yeah, I don't think it's actually offset. So I'm gonna go back to res body. Let's read this again. Maybe that is how it works, but just so it's simpler, I can leave offset though. But then here I want to do that pointer copy char pointer. I'll call it res body, or I'll just call it body for now. Body, body. Then let me come up here again, and then I'll call this just res body. So it makes sense. And we come all the way back down here. So we should attempt to read and add it, I believe. So it adds it to um, this buffer, and then hmm, here. So bytes read, so I know the number of bytes, and then with that number of bytes, just to make sure it has these ending stuff right here, I'll just do um, res body at, so let's say 2 bytes, so 0, so if it's like an array, so 0, 1, 2, if 2 bytes are read, 0, 1, and you'd put it, yeah, so I can just do bytes read equals slash r, and then I'll do res body, or I could also do, this might be a bad idea, post increment, yeah, I'll just do that. Bytes read equals backslash n. And then I think in theory that could work. Hmm, let's go through it. So you get the request, it goes to the parser, which just makes sure that it's a GET request. I'm not checking for files just yet. Um, if it's not a GET request, then it just does a 100 bad request, and just so it can null terminate. Um, char body. So this is the body of the response. So it copies this on the response and then sets a pointer at the end as soon as it finishes, which I guess would be 18 then, right? Because I guess you want it right at the end of this. Const char of 18. Maybe it is 18. I'll change this to 18. And then I can't really think too much. Okay, so then goes the response builder. Response builder, it opens up just index HTML on read only. Bytes read when it tries to read it, and then just adds in that. Um, this should work. Theory, I think. So I'll just have it return. Actually, I'll have it return 0. And so then I'll have handle request. I'll call this. I mean, it doesn't even actually. It doesn't even matter. And then all the way at the top. Yeah, because I don't really need to return anything. So I'll just have like that. So handle request, and then I'll output response, and then new line, just to see if it's working. Um, I might just do this for now, just to see if it's actually working out. Do makes test, and then once again, I'll get this to open up the Chrome so you guys can see as well. And then let me open up this empty response. Let me check this, and then bash. 200, okay, and then bash. Let me see if that's right. I should return response, but what I'll do is I'll do response. Oh, you guys can't see this. Let me do this. So instead of returned bash. So let me just do response, just like this, so I can see what the response would look like. Let me just try this. Find failed. There you go. And then open up Chrome again. Let me do inspect, so you can see the network. And then I'll just try to reload it. Okay, okay. So I still got 200, I believe. Or wait, it's actually this first one. I think it's that, no, it needs to be error. I'm not actually sending anything. Yeah, so I'm not actually sending anything. So that makes sense. But yeah, it's that bash. Let me let's see. So in this body, let me try making this 19. That might be the issue. Could help, you never know. And then make one more time. Test. Try one more time. There we go. Oh, you guys can see. I just basically changed the offset from 18 to 19. But back here, I'm gonna sorry, I didn't mean to, I actually did not mean to close it, but it's okay. Actually, we don't even need to see the Chrome for now anyway, because I'm just not even setting anything. 200, okay. So I don't believe that worked, because then it terminates it before it sends it. So I do think it needs to be this 18. But let me come down here. So so what I will do before all this, I'll do standard library output. I'll do bytes. Then I'll do bytes red, and then I'll do um, body, and then I'll do this body. Just for now. Let's see. I think this should work. Okay, let's try this. Make. I'm just gonna open up real quick. Go back over here. Byte -1. Ah, so it's not reading properly. So let me go. So let's see. On error is returned, and error no is set to indicate the error. In this case, it's left unspecified whether the file position. Okay. So when it's an error, so I need to see error number. Oh, I just already. I think. Yep. Okay. So let me include error number real quick. Um, error number dot h, I believe was. Yeah, error number dot h. So I'll just do. I mean, I know. I'll just error, and then let me go to the read again so I can see what the different error. Try this, and then just for now, let me make, run it again. Just gonna open it real quick. 9. So error number 9. Let's see. So I believe that means this. I'm not 100% sure. Let me go to the open. Let's see. Yeah, yeah. Um, on success, open, return the new file descriptor on error. It says indicate error. See, I didn't even check to see if this was even. Wow. Super not good error checking right now. Let me just do that. Just for now, make run. Let me open it real quick. 2. It says 2. Let me see. Okay, well, I know it's not working. I think to, wait, such file or directory. I see. So the opening, I believe it's the open that isn't working correctly. So open needs a constant character pointer to file with the index.html right here. Let me see. So open path name flags and then mode. Let me see. Specify by path name. If the specified file does not exist, it may optionally. Okay, specified by path name. Files offset and the file status flag. File descriptor is a reference to the file descriptor or modified from first. I wonder, is it path name? I forgot. Yeah, path name. Maybe I need this then. Oops, that may be the issue. No such file or directory. Okay, is that not what I said before as well? Yep, no such file or directory. Huh. Literally right here though. So path name flag. What was the open at look like? Let me try that. At. Okay, these are all the same. I think uh, operating system is open except for the difference described here. Is used in connection with path pointer as follows. If the path name given in path name is absolute, ignored. The path name given is relative. Ah, and, and path name interpret relative to current work component process. Wait, like open. The path name given in path name is relative and it is interpreted relative to the directory preferred. Ah, maybe since it's in build. Okay, I see. Maybe since it's technically it is open in build, so I need to go back out, go into source, and then this maybe. Let me try. Because technically I'm running the executable in the build folder. Let's see. And then you guys can see the Chrome, load it. Yep. And then go back. Chrome. Ah, there you go. I see. I see the issue. Okay. So now I have it. So I think I should begin the response now. Let me just do this real quick. I know that's awful what I just did, but okay, wait, I need to go here, inspect, uh, now the build is failing, or not build is failing, but the bind is failing now. There you go. Okay, y'all don't need to see this. I'm just gonna open it once again, and then my response is that. Perfect. Okay, so in theory, okay, what if I just do this, and then I send response. Okay, let's see if I got this working. I'm gonna make, okay, I'm just gonna do this one more time. Um, I definitely should infinite loop it to make this a lot easier. I'm not sure what's why it's starting to fail. I really need to figure this out too, why it's doing this, but I just want to test to see if this is working. Um, no wait, up here, send client response. Actually, it's whatever. There you go. And then I'm gonna moment of truth it. I'm just going to open up Chrome right here, and then we'll see. Reload this page. Can't be reached. Huh, that's weird. I think because I wasn't. Okay, let me try this once again. Not sure why the bind is failing. Let me just close this for now. That might help a little bit. Really need to look into what causes this bind to fail, but I'm gonna open it again. It's failed empty response. The response seems to be working, but for today. Um, that'll be it for today. I will need to figure out why this bind isn't working. I'll probably um, start this as an infinite loop, just so I don't have to constantly start the server over and over again just to test stuff out. I'm gonna figure out why this response isn't exactly working. Maybe it could be maybe because length is off, like it's giving an extra buffer. I'm not 100% sure. Um, guess we'll see though. But I, in theory, I feel like it should work a little bit. I got the response that I kind of was looking for, this general header, and then the file below it. So in theory, I believe it should work. I got the response I was looking for, so I was able to at least build the stream, which is good. But yeah, that's gonna be it for today. Uh, and yeah, I'll be looking into all that. Tomorrow I'll try to debug, maybe get an infinite loop-ish, maybe get the what's it called, file to actually pop up instead. Um, maybe it also could be because in the body I'm not having it set as the like content type. Like I'm not saying it's an HTML, which I think I might need to do. So I think the response does still need a little bit more building, but that'll be it for today.